Hi, everybody. Welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Emmy-nominated actress Phylicia Rashad in awe of Jamaican talent. Rashad, who is widely known for her role in The Cosby Show, served as the guest of honor at Plie for the Arts' inaugural Women Vision event, which unfolded at the Pegasus Hotel on Friday. The event, which celebrated visionary women across several industries, featured live performances from Ashe Performing Arts and Lauren Elsie Campbell, leaving the former dean of the Chadwick A. Boseman College of Fine Arts at the Howard University stunned.
They sing with such maturity. They sound like people who have lived for over 60 years. They just, you know, that integrity. This is something we've been privileged to experience this morning. I find it amazing.
She also shared a word of advice with artists in the room, urging them to think beyond the roles they currently hold in order to achieve greater success.
Jeffrey Holder told us, he said, every actor should think in terms of becoming a director. Every dancer should think in terms of becoming a choreographer. Every choreographer should think in terms of becoming a director. What he was doing was planting a seed of expansion.
The event, which celebrates and recognizes the successes of women, saw Shelly and Fraser Price among the 12 honorees for her contributions to track and field. Founder of Plie for the Arts, Marissa Benain, described this year's honorees as architects of vision.
To our honorees, you are architects of excellence. You have shaped industries and institutions. You represent what becomes possible when vision is matched with courage and discipline. You are not influencers, but you have influence.
Now, Rashad encouraged those in attendance to keep going despite the many challenges that may arise.
There's no challenge that's greater than you, and it's not that it's smaller than you either. You're equal to it.
Now, on the international scene, a Grammy Award-winning rap superstar is taking center stage on Broadway this spring. Megan Thee Stallion will join Moulin Rouge, the musical, for an 8-week run beginning March 24. Megan will take on the role of Zidla, the impresario of the famed Paris nightclub. She becomes the first woman to play the character in the Broadway production's 7-year run. Producers say her stint will include a hint of her own music woven into the pop-infused score. Megan says she's excited to push herself creatively and embrace the world of theater. That's it for ePrime this evening. Thank you for watching. Happy Jamaica Day!